Howdy folks, I'm Mama Cass. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I've got a teeny haul. So we'll cut the bag open, slot it over to the side and grab piece by piece. Ooh. Okay, what have we got here? First, we've got some technology, gadgetry. I needed some more USB slots over on my computer here, but on my gadgetry. So this is a USB hub. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you got switches for each one, so you can switch it off while not in use, which is great. Stop that damage from overcharging that happens. Then we've got a usual Temu all item, a coffee mug, another one. So I do like my coffee each day. Then we've got vaccines. What ones have we got? We've got 1, 2 that are repeats. Oh god, loads of them are repeats. Look, there's only, I've got all of these apart from that one. So it's one of those things you get, like, once you start buying the bulk items of these, you're going to get the repeats. So I'll probably gift those to someone. What else have we got here now? Oh my gosh. It's one of those ring light camera stands. Oh my god, how am I going to get in here? Let's get through this. Okay, so in here we've got the light sitting. We've got a, I don't know what that is. It's the phone clamp and the light. Multi-functional switch. Oh my god, keep dropping bits. Okay. So we'll have another clamp onto the side, which I've got a lot of already. Oops. So that clamps onto the side with this part. Ta-da! It is better on these solid clamps than the one I've got on at the moment. Tends to wobble quite a bit. Okay, so this will go on desk surface. Okay, and then we put that on there. Ta-da. That's the plug point. Right, I'm going to set that up after. I'm not sure what that bit's for, to be honest. Have to look. Right. Oh, I see, I see. Does that go like that? Yeah, that goes on there. Right. Oh my god, I wish I had proper instructions with it that day. Ha. Oh, so you're going to get that bit off there. Put that bit on through there. Oh, go on like this. Oh, that's cool. Okay, and then this goes in there. And then this goes in here. You can either have it like so. Or I see you can fold that down like that. Fold that down like that. And you've got that on there like that. We'll use this on my next crafting video, which I'm about to film, and see how we feel about it, huh? Because I felt like the lighting just isn't enough over here. Right, so I'll go into this hole here. Excuse my dressing gown, but I want it to be warm because I'm cold. It's really cold at the moment. Hurts. Hurts a lot to be cold. Oh. Okay, so then that will go like that, that will go like that. That should hold that in place. And then the camera goes in there, right? So, ta-da! I'll show you what that's like. Then I've got this, which is for my coffee cups and that, and the coffee machine to clean up inside. Got like a pick. It basically cleans up everything that's got like grooves and that was difficult. Like a normal brush for those sort of things, but it's like it's just helpful and easier. Then we've got a pendulum, this is. This is a pendulum for swinging over a Ouija. Oops. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay. What that might be for.
Here's my photos. Oh, you're not helping me.
Then we've got some acetate, because I running out of acetate for shaker cards and so on. Then we got a toilet lime scale cleaner. It's like a pumice stone that you slot in there to scrub at the bottom of the toilet. Just make sure I get everything out with that. Oh, sorry. That. These. Right. Then we've got this for the dowsing. Pendulum, whatever, Ouija board. It's going to be fun to play with. I think I might do some live streams using that and tarot cards and stuff, just because I feel like doing that. I've had tarot cards and oracle cards for ages, and the EMF there. So yeah, what you do is then you start asking questions. We'll give it a go. Okay, and these are some wax seal beads, sunflowers in pearl colours. These are for my wax seal, like scraping out little balls. These are lavender violets. Oh no, it's not lavender violets. There is lavender violets, but this is primer. Both primers, air dry primer for my nail art. This is lavender violets one. I'm gonna cut it open. This is lavender violets 5-in-1 builder base gel, and is that the same? One's a builder base gel, one that's both builder base gel. In clear. So it's like a base gel, but it's like a rubber base gel sort of thing. And this is these are something for the cats. These, you press the button and it says a word. I'm going to try and teach my cats to ask for things and say hello or goodbye or I love you or I want to go out. Yeah, so we're going to try and train the cats, and that's going to be some videos to come on the cat channel. which is Mama Cass Cats and Reacts, I think, if you want to check it out. We'll sort that out soon. And then this is a vest with a insert booby bra bit. So it's just a plain white vest really, but it's got the boob protection going on, which I like. Okay, thanks for joining me, guys. Much love, breathe easy, folks. I look forward to bringing you a few of these items soon. Take care, guys. Much love, breathe easy, folks. See you soon. Bye.